Yes boys, what's the crack? Welcome back to another video. No video last week. I'm just back to work there, so just didn't have time really to get any content for you. So it's not clickbait. My wheel actually did fall off. Here's the wing. So long story short, the wheel fell off, jammed underneath the car and buckled this wing a bit. Everything else is fine, the door's grand. So we have the wing off there now. So wing damaged and we have new wing. First coat of primer put on it there, and I will now get another primer put on it, and then I'll set up a time lapse in when I'm doing the blue. It's ocean blue. It should be exactly the same, but right lads, we're back and you can see new wing is on. We thought we'd leave the blue until it was on the car, so if there was any scripts or anything we could touch them up. But I'm just gonna prepare it here now, get the masking tape on, paper to cover bits here and there. I just know from kind of doing this stuff before that, like, I'm not saying I'm a great sprayer or anything, but I do be fairly panicky in preparation, like, so I take my time and mask up everything so that you can, you know, really focus on your spraying then and not have to worry about overspray or anything like that there. So I'll get on time lapse here now after I get it masked up right and kind of prepared. So that's it, masked up. Pretty much everything's covered that needs to be covered. Heap of newspapers. Here's the time lapse. So lads, this is the finished look. New wing on, sprayed. It's not bad, but it's not perfect. This still needs to be polished and maybe sanded down a bit and polished. But the rest of the car has to be buffed as well, maybe to bring the colour back out a bit. So not too bad. Could be better, but I'm happy enough.
just do that.